What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I showed y'all an early review of the Jordan 1 white cements. They don't drop to May 6th right now. It might move up. I think it's gonna move up. But fire sneaker. So you know I had to double back and give y'all the hottest style. Black and white shoe, a lot of elephant print, but we gonna make this sneaker even more fire. Yes, sir. So, you know, we usually start with essentials. And let's wait on that. I got some more fire before we get to the essentials. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Drake knocked the Nike tee. Super dope, man. Not only is it a perfect match with the black with the white writing, it reads, two things I'll always be, honest, and then some Nikes. Perfect match to that Jordan 1 elephant print, color-wise, and just Nike to Nike-wise, right? You do have some Nocta branding that's yellow on the bottom of the shirt, and on the sleeves it reads Nocta. But this is a dope match, and it's very, very affordable, man. $50 straight from Nike. I think they still got them. Sizes might be limited, but they still got them. Supreme, one of my favorite Supreme tees ever, man. I'm a man. Anyway, the Supreme Mod tee. It has a young lady laying down with lingerie, black. Has the mousseline looking picture, that off-white look. And it's just an all-black tee, and it's affordable again, around $50, StockX Gold. Dope tee. Oh, a lot of y'all didn't know Jordan played baseball, and it was for the White Sox. Probably was for like a week. But this jersey here is a perfect match. Again, Jordan with Jordan. White Sox is white, gray, and black, just like the elephant print on the white cements. 45, that was Jordan number he had to switch to when he came back. Brandon is crazy, and it's one of the classic MLB joints, majestic. So you know the quality's there. I just don't know where you can purchase this. You probably could Google it and find something, but if you really want to get this jersey, hit me in the comment section below. We'll find it together. Now switching it from white to black is the Como de Garçon play tee. I like it because it's more white like the sneaker than black. And then you got the black heart with another black small heart. And it's Como de Garçon CDG. You know the material's there, man. Maybe about $100. Essentials. Now with that shoe, I love that you could go either with the heather gray or the limo black. They're both going to match. The sneaker's white cement, so you're going to mix it with black, mix it with gray, it's going to match. So either one. But I've been doing essentials so long. When they first dropped, they came out with a pair with a white line on the side of the black sweats. I think this one is the more perfect match. Not too many people have this one though, so you can't go get it. This is maybe like 4 or 5 years ago, but this is the match. Look at the essential logo there. It's white on the black. Dope look. Yeah, this is definitely a perfect match, guys. I like this PacSun Mitchell & Ness Rodman tee because he's got on the Bulls jersey, right? You think of Jordan, you think of the Bulls. But also, you get to add some color to your outfit that's probably just going to be black or white and gray because of the sneaker. So you add some color and still rep Jordan with a Chicago Bulls joint. So I like that. Also, retail is very, very low, guys. $38. $38 for a Mitchell & Ness throwback tee. Add even more color. You go with the Cactus Jack Astronomical tee. I went with this one because it's all gray. It looks just like cement if you look at it. Just like cement. And again, you get to add more color to your outfit. This is the Fortnite Travis Scott Cactus Jack joint Yo, resale on like third party is cheap considering that it's Cactus Jack in Fortnite. I usually reserve Orlando Magic gear for the pennies, especially my blue foam posits, the originals, but the black and white pinstripe on this along with the gray matches those cement Jordan 1s perfect. Again, this is Mitchell & Ness, but from MitchellandNess.com, the 94.95 Orlando Magics. About $100, but Mitchell & Ness give you 15% off just for going to their website. So if they're available, you could get these for lower than $100. RIP Virgil. This Nike off-white look tee is a perfect match, and it just represents Virgil, man. Super dope. Has some French writing on the back. It might just say "just do it," but I'm not sure. I'm not from French. Yo, my French people, go down in the comment section below. Let me know what that say. But the front says "just do it." Got the logo, off-white style. Perfect match. And last but not least is the Beer Brick Fragment tee. Little pricey, man. I'm not gonna lie. Little pricey, but perfect, dope match. Hats. Y'all notice I took mine off. It was getting hot. You got a lot of options with the Jordan 1 cements, man. My first one is the Rock Nation gray paper plane hat. It just looks like cement. It screams it at you. Or you could go black. And the black is dope too, but I like the gray a little better. White Sox hat. The reason why I went with the White Sox hat, not only did I show you I had a Jordan jersey with the White Sox, when you think of black and white and you go to MLB, nothing stands out like the White Sox. And I know I'm from Brooklyn, so we got to throw that in just because. Yes, sir. So that's just a quick how to style on the Jordan 1 white cements. Whether you're waiting for them to drop in May or if you're going to go get them early, they only go on for like $150, guys. So I probably would get them early instead of waiting for them to drop, and then chances is they might go up, or you're going to pay the retail at $190. But dope sneaker, man. Happy to add it to my Jordan 1 collection. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.